Tipton. Starting with the grinding wheel, we successfully developed and produced mass finishing machines and abrasive media and compounds, and further developed and evolved these core technologies. We have broadened our field today to include oil and petrochemical industry products, coating, and Taylor vortex flow nanoreactors, and continue to engage in the challenges for tomorrow. The high-dimensional processing technology accumulated by Tipton has finally reached nano levels with the ability to control material particle size by agitation. Compatible with a wide range of materials, including gas and liquid, the ability to perform with any kind of material and high processing accuracy attract awe and attention in various fields. Nanoreactors can contribute to a spectacularly wide spectrum of products, from pharmaceuticals and cosmetics, high-performance lithium-ion batteries, and cellulose nanofibers to high-functional food ingredients.